Hi, my name is Chantel C with the AtHome Experience, and thank you for joining me for this Reflexology Minute. Today we're going to talk about the mid, back, and thoracic spine. So there are 12 thoracic vertebrae, T1 to T12. T1 is just below C7. C7 is your cervical 7, and that is right where the protrusion is at the back of your neck. It goes all the way down to just above L1, lumbar 1, which begins your lower back region. So these 12 thoracic vertebrae connect to your ribs, and those ribs, as they come forth, house your vital organs. This is your thorax. So you can address the spine and address scoliosis, pain in the mid-back, maybe you have a back that goes out easily, but you're also addressing every part of that spine has nerves that go out to many of these vital organs that are housed in the thorax. So by giving attention to the mid-back, we're also giving attention to the inner body. So in-hand reflexology, to address T1 to T12, you're going to use thumb walking. So it's going to be T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going down the medial aspect of my thumb from this joint to the base, right at my wrist. That's T1 to T12. You would also just use your knuckle if you want to go a little bit deeper, going down that medial aspect of the thumb. I hope it helps. Until next time.